Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome if it keeps closing automatically on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, right-click on Chrome and select Open File Location. Now right-click on the Google Chrome shortcut again and select Open File Location. Right-click on the Chrome application and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Turn on Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. Now right-click on Chrome and select Run as administrator. Check if Chrome opens normally. If the problem is still there, open Settings on your computer. Click on Apps. Then select Installed Apps. Search for Google Chrome. Click the three dots next to Chrome and select Uninstall. Once Chrome has been removed, open another browser such as Microsoft Edge. Search for Google Chrome and open the official download page. Download and install the latest version of Google Chrome. After the installation is complete, launch Chrome again and check if the problem has been fixed. So this is how you can fix Google Chrome if it keeps closing automatically on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.